So the next website we're looking at is called StorylineOnline.net. So it's Storyline Online. And we have every month of featured videos. So this month, for the month of October, these are our featured videos. Down here, we're going to have videos that were just added. Or you can choose to look at the videos all together. So here are all books. And I would use these arrows down here to view my books. If I hover over these icons, it'll show the actor that is going to be reading the story. So we're going to go ahead and click on one of these stories, and I want to pick a story that maybe we are familiar with. A story that we may be familiar with, and I would like to pick Sylvester and the Magic Pebble. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And this is just to give you an idea of what the video looks like. So we are going to be watching it in YouTube, but we are still staying on this page. So if I were to play this, it would of course begin the video. But what is really nice about this website is after watching the video, I have the option to look at some activity guides. So sometimes it'll give me the option for just teachers, and there's other books that give me the option to do activity guides with parents. So you can get your parents involved as well. And then on the bottom down here, it just gives us a little summary of what the story is about. It gives us our suggested grade level, the name of the actor who is reading our story, and then of course our author and illustrator. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to our main page so I can show you a story that has activity guides for both teachers and parents, so you can see what that looks like. So again, down here are my activity guides. I would click on that. And here's the one for parents. So when I click on for parents, a PDF file, that means it is something that is printable. So I could print this if I have a printer at home, or I can just view it and follow along with the instructions on here. So this is my activity guide for this particular book. The title of our book is called Hey, That's My Monster. So if I scroll down, it gives me the synopsis, which is the summary of our story. Gives us the themes that are shared in the story and how we can talk about the story with our children. So this would be something for your parents to read. And then the most thing I like about this is that it has little creative arts activities that are about the story. So that would be something nice to do at home with your parents. Gives us all the materials we need, our directions, a picture of the final product. And then if we scroll down, we have other activities we can do. We have a writing activity. And then we also have a cooking activity. Again, giving us the ingredients and our directions on how to complete that activity. Then we also have down here an experiment. So remember, not all of these stories are going to have these activities, but the ones that do give you lots of activities to choose from. So even here we have a physical activity. Monster obstacle course, monster roll call. So something very fun to do at home with your parents. So I hope you're able to visit this site, and you can also ask your teacher if you can listen to some stories in class.